What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to teach you how to close an operation. This may seem like something very simple, but it has a little bit of difficulty. So how do we do this? First of all, let's open the IDE, and then here, well, in this case I have this code, but this is not what we want. We are going to create a new expert advisor, a new bot. So here we click on expert advisors, and here we are going to give it a name, and it's going to be, for example, close operation. So look, we are, well, click next, and that's it. We are going to create a very simple bot. The thing that this bot is going to do is that, okay, whenever we start the bot, so whenever, on init means that whenever we start the bot, we are going to execute whatever is inside here. So here we are going to say that we want to open a position. So how do we open a position? We need to include a library, well, indeed a file, trade.mqh, which contains lots of things. Like, for example, the class ctrade. So we are going to instantiate an object trade of the ctrade class, and we also are going to need a variable to store the ticket. So for example, we are going to put trade ticket. The ticket is the most important thing of this video. You are going to see this now. So okay, let's open a position. How do we do this? First of all, let's get the bit, because the position is going to be a cell. Very simple. And how do we get the bit? Symbol, info, double, and here we get the current symbol in which the bot is. This is what this means. And here we take the symbol bit. This may return a lot of decimals. So what we do in order to avoid problems with lots of decimals is to call the function normalize double. Okay, we have this function, and now we say how many digits do you want? For example, we can say that, okay, use the digits that this chart is using. So with this, everything is going to be fine. Okay, now that we have this, we can open a cell. So here we use the trade object that we have here, and we open a cell. So here it is asking us for the volume, for example 0.1, the symbol, the current symbol, the price, which is the bid, stop loss, which we are not going to put anything, so we can leave this like this, because we don't need neither stop loss, take profit, message, whatever. We don't need any of those. Now we need to save the trade ticket. So here we say trade ticket is going to be equal trade result order. Perfect. So okay, now we are almost ready to close the operation. What are we going to do? What we are going to do is that, for example, in 10 minutes, close the operation. So for that, we need to set a timer, event set timer, and we are going to say 10 by 60, which are 10 minutes in seconds, because here you have to give seconds. Okay, so now we have another event function, if we can call it like that, called on timer. So whenever the timer is triggered, what we are going to do is to close the operation. And now what you came for, how do you close an operation here? Very simple. You need the trade ticket and you need the trade object. So here you put trade, and here position, and you have it here, close. Indeed, I showed you in a previous video how to close it partially, but look, this is very similar. So position close, and here you are going to put a trade ticket, and indeed we don't need this, so we leave it like this, and we are going to stop the timer. So we are going to say event kill timer, and guys, that's it. That's how you do it. So let's compile, and let's go back to MT5, and here instead of close partial we are going to use close operation, boom index, 1 minute, okay, whatever, visual mode, that's what we want. We click on start. Okay, this has been opened in the other screen. Let me put this here. Okay, as soon as you start the bot, you can see that an operation, a cell operation, has been opened. So now we have to wait 10 minutes, which are 10 candles, and the operation should be closed. So after 10 candles, so here is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth, ninth, and the 10th one, we close the operation, and you see that it is just simply using that function. This one, let me show you. Position close. That's it. So guys, very short video, but I hope that this clears some of your doubts. And if you understood the video, if you liked it, give it a like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next one.